friends, welcome back to my channel The Hungry Taurian, and in today's episode we are going to learn a very easy instant suji appe. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. These are very basic ingredients that can be found in your pantry. Now take some suji or semolina and put it in a mixing bowl. Add plain yogurt into it. Please make sure that it is at room temperature. Now mix everything together so that there are no lumps in it. Gradually we'll add water. Don't add too much at a time, otherwise it might turn runny. We'll add little by little. Now is the time to add the vegetables. First add some finely chopped onions. The measurements are mentioned in the description below. Add the grated carrots. Add some chopped cilantro, green chilies and curry leaves for that flavor. The amount of green chilies is totally dependent on your taste buds. Add salt according to taste. Add some jeera or cumin seeds followed by hing or asafoetida. Just a pinch of hing is enough. Mix everything together. You would see that it has become a little more stiff. This is the time that you add a little water so that the batter is as smooth as that of the idli batter. Cover it and keep it for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes you would see that the semolina has also puffed up and the batter looks really nice. It's not that watery as before. Just mix it up and meanwhile heat the appe or paneeram pan and add little oil in each of the socket or cavity. Pour a tablespoon of batter into each of these and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Cover it up so that the process is a little easier. Well, if you want, you can add some other vegetables like bell peppers and make it more colorful. It all depends upon your choice and preference as far as the vegetables are concerned. Now I'm done with my last batch. Cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Well, the side which is at the bottom will obviously get cooked first. So after 5 minutes, uncover it and turn it to the other side so that the side on the top would also get cooked properly. Repeat this with the rest of the batter. You would see that both the sides have got a beautiful golden color. That's the time that you take it out and serve it on a plate. This tastes best when it is hot, and serve it with your favorite chutney. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you'll soon try making this at home. Well, this is an easy peasy recipe and doesn't need any prior preparation. Well, I had these appes along with some rich gourd peel chutney. Sounds delicious, right? Well, coming up next is this recipe of rich gourd peel chutney, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification.